Awning window installation in Sugarland is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a variety of awning window styles and designs available, residents can select from custom awning windows Sugarland, energy-efficient awning windows Sugarland, and more. Awning window contractors in Sugarland offer expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. For those seeking awning window repair in Sugarland, numerous awning window companies provide comprehensive services. From fixing awning window locks and hinges to replacing awning window screens, these professionals ensure your awning windows Sugarland are in top condition. Awning window maintenance in Sugarland is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and maintaining their appearance. Custom awning windows Sugarland allow homeowners to personalize their window choices. With options like vinyl awning windows Sugarland, aluminum awning windows Sugarland, and wooden awning windows Sugarland, you can select the perfect material to match your home's style. Awning window sizes and colors can also be customized to fit your specific needs. Energy-efficient awning windows Sugarland are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Awning window sealing and awning window parts play a crucial role in maintaining energy efficiency for awning windows Sugarland. Awning window replacement in Sugarland is a service offered by many local contractors. Whether you're upgrading to new awning window designs or replacing damaged awning windows Sugarland, professional awning window services in Sugarland ensure a smooth transition. Awning window quotes in Sugarland can help you budget for your project. Awning window cleaning in Sugarland is vital for maintaining the clarity and appearance of your awning windows Sugarland. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of dirt and grime, ensuring your awning windows Sugarland look their best. Awning window hardware, such as awning window locks and awning window hinges, should also be checked regularly for optimal performance. Awning window cost in Sugarland varies depending on the materials and customization options chosen. Vinyl awning windows Sugarland and aluminum awning windows Sugarland are often more affordable, while wooden awning windows Sugarland may be priced higher due to their classic appeal. Awning window brands in Sugarland offer a range of options to suit different budgets. Awning window contractors in Sugarland provide expert guidance on selecting the right awning window styles for your home. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these professionals ensure your awning window installation or replacement meets your expectations. Awning window companies in Sugarland are dedicated to delivering top-notch service for awning windows Sugarland. Awning window services in Sugarland encompass everything from installation to maintenance. Whether you need awning window sealing or awning window parts, local experts are equipped to handle all your needs. Awning window screens and awning window hardware are essential components that contribute to the overall functionality of your awning windows Sugarland. For top-notch awning window installation in Sugarland, look no further than our expert awning window contractors. We specialize in custom awning windows Sugarland, offering a wide range of awning window styles, designs, and sizes to fit any home. Our energy-efficient awning windows Sugarland are perfect for reducing energy costs while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your property. Whether you need vinyl awning windows Sugarland, aluminum awning windows Sugarland, or wooden awning windows Sugarland, we have the perfect solution for you. Awning window repair in Sugarland is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your awning windows Sugarland. Our team provides comprehensive awning window maintenance services, including awning window cleaning and awning window sealing. We also offer a variety of awning window parts and awning window hardware to ensure your awning windows Sugarland operates smoothly. From awning window locks to awning window hinges, we have everything you need to keep your awning windows Sugarland in top condition. When it comes to awning window replacement in Sugarland, our services are unmatched. We provide detailed awning window quotes to help you understand the awning window cost and make informed decisions. Our awning window companies in Sugarland are known for their reliability and quality workmanship. Trust us for all your awning window replacement needs, and enjoy the benefits of modern, stylish, and durable awning windows Sugarland. Custom awning windows Sugarland are a great way to add a personal touch to your home. Choose from a variety of awning window colors and awning window brands to match your unique style. Our awning window services in Sugarland are designed to meet the specific needs of each client, ensuring satisfaction with every project. Whether you're looking for a classic or contemporary look, our awning window designs will exceed your expectations. For those in Sugarland seeking energy-efficient awning windows Sugarland, our selection is second to none. Our windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping you save on energy bills while keeping your home comfortable year-round. With our expert awning window installation Sugarland services, you can rest assured that your new awning windows Sugarland will be installed with precision and care. Contact us today to learn more about our awning window services and how we can enhance your home.